What if we told you that you could maintain a premier Glasurit appearance all while getting more cars through the door? Announcing the new Glasurit 923 365 Glamour Production Clear Coat. Maintain the appearance of a Glamour Clear Coat while improving productivity through bake cycles that finish in as little as 15 minutes. Compliant in all regions across North America, shops can be assured that this clear will perform well in a variety of climate conditions. With the application of just 2 coats, repairs of all sizes will be finished with the same outstanding shine that has kept Glasurit a leading brand in the refinish industry for over 130 years. To learn more, visit basfrefinish.com/Glasurit.